In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 ways on how you can disable YouTube Shorts permanently, okay? You can also remove the Shorts tab on your phone. This works on Android and iPhones. Now, all you have to do, guys, is follow these simple steps and you will be able to remove YouTube Shorts or disable YouTube Shorts permanently. Now, the first thing, guys, you need to do, you want to click on Library at the very bottom, all right? You want to click on Library and then you want to click on View All. In the top, you can see here View All, click on it. And then you want to click 3 little dots in the top, all right? After that, guys, you want to click on Pause Watch History, okay? Click on Pause Watch History. Click again on Pause, click Pause. Now, after, guys, you click on Pause, you want to go to the Shorts. Now, I'm not going to show you how, I'm going to search for Shorts because I don't have Shorts on my YouTube app, so I'm just going to search for Shorts. Now, as you can see here, these are YouTube Shorts. Now, what you want to do, guys, if it appears, I know that it looks like this on your home page. Now, you just want to click 3 little dots, okay? In the top of the YouTube Short, you can see here 3 little dots here. Now, click on these 3 little dots and click on Not Interested, okay? I don't say Not Interested, like I said, because I don't have YouTube Shorts. Click on Not Interested and do that for 10 videos. Again, Not Interested, Not Interested. Do that for 10 videos, okay? And YouTube Shorts will disappear from your YouTube app. Now, the second method, guys, I'm actually going to show you 3 ways, okay? Now, the second method or the second way to do that, you want to click again on Library at the very bottom right, and then click 3 little dots in the top right, and then you want to click on Clear Watch History. The reason why you have to clear Watch History, like it will not track the old videos that you have watched, because what happens when you watch a short video, like YouTube recommends you the same thing. Like, you just have to click on Clear Watch History if you want. If you don't want, just drop a like on this video and check the video in the screen. Click the video in the screen and you will be able to see the third option to disable YouTube Shorts and also the Shorts tab. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.